Yo, this is Ray, and giving an instructions on how to use the 2016 Samsung Galaxy Gear 360. So this camera comes with a battery and everything, which is inside of here, and it has a top which fits on your stand. So how to start? You have two buttons. Bottom one, on and off, and the menu. You start it. Then you push this once in so you get the big screens. Not that one. That one. Gear 360 Manager. And you push the button over here twice now. 1, 2, till you get to Google Street View. Then you touch the top, and this is going to be the codes you're going to need. So under your Wi-Fi, you find Gear 360 CF78 in my case, and my passcode type in would be 145239116. That's part one.